create new mobs or shift animals between mobs, click on the Mobs button. Down the left-hand side, you see the mobs that we have in the system, how many animals are in that mob, and then in the center you can see the actual animal records that are there. You're also able to add new mobs by clicking the Add button. Give the mob a name, and the mob code will automatically populate. You're also able to give it a description, and then click Save. You can then transfer animals from one mob to another. You can choose to select all the animals, so all 166 animals to another mob, or just selected animals. So we can select by pushing the first one and then pushing Shift and clicking on the last one that you want to shift. So you can see we now have 6 animals selected, and we want to shift those animals to the Kale mob. Select the Kale mob and then click Transfer, and we now have 6 animals in the Kale mob. To repeat the process again, select the animals that we wish to transfer, and we want to select these ones to the back paddock, and we'll go Transfer, and we now have a smaller number in the undefined mob, 14 in back paddock and 6 in the Kale mob. This also assists a lot when viewing animals or looking at animals in an event, or we're looking at animals in the yard, because it helps to group them and maintain the management of them in an easier fashion. For example, if you look at the animals screen now and we view by mob, you can see we have 3 groups, so undefined, back paddock and Kale. When we click on Kale, we can see the individual information for all those animals without having to scroll through a large list compared to the All Animals option.